First of all, we have to connect this one with the Wi-Fi. You can see here Pluto 2091. Okay, it is written there. Okay, so this is the app we have connected with the Wi-Fi. After connecting on the Wi-Fi, we'll just use the application. Okay, so this is the application. So this look like an remote side system. Okay, so once you just click on this, it will just get connected. Have you heard this one? Pluto connected, yeah. No, with this one we can't connect. But there are some.
Sir, it can fly now, sir.
Huh?
It can fly now, sir.
Yes, it can fly.
Sir,
After connecting this one, we can just check whether all the motors are working or not working. So we are having this menu option, drone setting. So we have to just check whether all the motors are working. First of all, we'll check them, and thereafter we'll try it, how to fly it. So if you just see that motor is working, okay. Just put it like this. Okay, this is the front now. So this one, I just push it, working. This is working and pushing air downward. Again I will stop it. This is also working. You have to just check whether it is making a thrust downward or upward. You have to check. If you just connect the wings propeller in different direction, it will just make a thrust upward also. Okay. So one by one, I check all the motors, and you can see all the motors are running properly. After checking all, we'll just check whether all the motors are working at the same time also. So just click on here, you can see all the motors are working at the same time. Okay, now we can test it, we can just fly it. Okay, before flying we have to calibrate it. Okay, calibration means this kind of things work on AI system. What is AI? Artificial intelligence. Okay, so when we are calling about AI, so AI means that machine will learn about the things that will just get the data from the surrounding, and according to that it will work. Okay, so before flying it, we have to calibrate the things. So when we are calibrating it, it will just set all the sensors. We have to just put it at center, and thereafter we have to calibrate so that it will just get in proper way. Okay, this is my horizontal surface, so it will just maintain that particular thing. If you are just placing it a little bit tilted surface, so it will just think, okay, this is my proper way. So it will just try to fly in the tilted position only. So we have to ensure that when we are placing it, we have to place it at very horizontal surface, so it will just go straight up. Okay, in case of that, if you just put it a little bit tilted, it will not work properly. Got my point? Thereafter, we have to find out, we have to set different movement. We want to make movement in forward direction also,
backward.
this side also, like, so there are three movement in air. Okay, when we are moving on the ground, we are having only four movement: left, right, forward and reverse. There is no up movement and down movement. Okay, so these movement when we are working on the air, these are given a special name. Okay,